Okay. Sounds normal. Just the screen is really, really dark. Verizon DSL. Nice. This means that the connector is probably loose. Away all the other stuff because I figure I don't have to resolder anything. But the screen is really, really dark. Let's make sure it's not just... Okay, that looks normal. Never mind. Probably because it had been reset, the screen probably went all the way to darkness. That's acceptable then. I thought I'd get a cable or something for a second there. Charging lights on. I'm wiggling the cable. Wiggling the cable, wiggling the cables. What the heck is this? Norton. Oh. But there you have it. Fish, computer, and can you see that there? Barely. There's a little orange speck you see there. That's the charging light. It's good, and that means we're done a good job. So I'm going to shut this guy down. We're going to let it charge overnight. And that light should go off after a few hours. If it doesn't, I'm going to bust somebody up. Oh, I forgot to test the keyboard. Oh no, I just did function. So yeah, that works. CD drive opens. Cord comes out fine. Charges fine. I'm going to set this huge brick up here, right beside it. So I hope this video was at least remotely informative. If it's not, at least I got some work done in the 5 hours it took. 5 hours and 18 minutes. It took to test this thing out, load it up. Pretty much an all-day job. I don't know if I'm very efficient at that. I guess I'm not. But putting this on YouTube is going to be a pain. I'll try to do it. Not going to make any guarantees. But until next time, see you later. Be sure to visit us every weekday between 9 p.m. and whenever for our live show. And hopefully I'm going to be able to tell you in the next week or so just to visit us, period. 24/7 live. And probably get a really cool URL for it too. But yes, check us out. Send us some emails. If you got some questions, send us to them. Send us to them. Send them to us. Video at defcon-5.com. And we will do our best to answer your questions and help you out with little things like this, some of the more obscure stuff. Next video I will go for will be antivirus product versus antivirus product. Which is the best? Will it be Norton, Symantec, which is the same company, Trend Micro, or McCrappy? I guess that's a spoiler, isn't it? So, till next time, see you later.